Hi everyone, this is Ashish here. This is the second tutorial of the series where we'll be developing e-commerce website. First we need to install XAMPP on our Windows 10 machine for our PHP development. So you can go to the website I have given in the description on the apachefriends.org. Uh, Here you will be able to download the XAMPP from. So if you go little below, there's the download button where you have the installations provided for Windows, Linux, and Macintosh. So whichever machine you guys are on, you can just click on that and it will download the XAMPP exe file on your machine. I have already downloaded that installer, so it's present here. I'm going to double click on it so the installation will begin. Okay, so yeah, so here you will continue with the installation. Yes, if you don't have if you have not given permissions in C program files 86 folder, it might not be able to write the files over there. So that's the permission. So just click on next. In this portion, it gives you the options to select the components which you want to install. By default, XAMPP comes with Apache, MySQL, FileZilla, Mail Server, Tomcat, PHP, Perl. So if you don't want any of these to be installed, you can just untick it. But I'll go with the default configuration which they have provided. I'll say next. By default, it will install in C directory, XAMPP. So let it install there. Say next. Please select a different folder. So I might have done an installation earlier, so I'll just give one here. L plus slash r. Okay, I went ahead and deleted everything from the XAMPP folder. So I'll just give that folder and press next. So this is just it showing that it's from Bitnami, and it is one of the favorite applications for the web development of using PHP. So there's the server, XAMPP components, and Bitnami modules. So we'll go ahead with our installation. We'll press next. So XAMPP has completed unpacking all the files. It's creating an installer. So it's saying the completing setup has finished installing XAMPP on your computer. So let's start the control panel for it. So once you connect finish, it will ask for the language. So you can say that and save. So this is the control panel for XAMPP, which looks like it has installed all these modules. But we don't want to enable all the modules. We need the Apache to be started. So it says attempting to start Apache, status running, and it says it's running on port number 80 and port number 443. We'll start MySQL. So the MySQL gets started. We need only these two. If you want to change the port numbers or anything, you can go to the config here, and you can go to the http conf, and you can make the changes of PHP ini files. We don't want to make any changes for now because it's our local and let it run on the same ports. So we'll let it be like that. Okay, so this is the dashboard which comes up here, and if I see MySQL admin, so it's open localhost PHP myadmin, and it gives this window where you can see everything. You can see all the databases which are there by default present. Okay, and we have MySQL to run the queries. So I think the installation went fine and everything is installed correctly. So there's nothing else which we need to do for it. To see whether your Apache is working, let's see how we can see that. So this installation has happened in C colon. So we'll go to the C colon folder. In this XAMPP folder has been created in C colon. So if you see inside it, you will see a lot of files. So for each of the modules which XAMPP had installed, there will be one folder for it. So you see FileZilla FTP, there is a folder for it. there's a Perl folder, PHP, PHP MyAdmin, MySQL. So everything has a folder for it. Okay. So our website, which we need to run, which will go into htdocs folder. So this is the important folder, one of the important folders where all the files will go. So for now, we'll go inside this htdocs, and there's already an index.php. So what we are going to do is we are going to create one folder here. Let's name it as testing, and inside testing, let's create a file. So for creating a file, we'll go to our good here, and here we'll write php echo, this is good, and let's close it. Let's save this in C colon XAMPP folder. Inside htdocs, we create a testing folder. So here we'll create this as index.php. We'll save it. So you see it automatically, the brackets which I told you in the last session, it automatically changed into the formatting. Okay, so I'll save it. Now we'll go to our browser. We'll say here localhost /testing /index.php, and it prints as this is good. So our XAMPP installation has correctly installed everything. So that looks good. So this is for now. In the next session, we will see how to install WordPress here. Okay. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Thank you.